Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Okay. In our earlier classes we have discussed about factors and common factors. Okay. This much we know that what are the factors of a number, and if two numbers are given, what are the common factors. Okay. So today we will discuss hash common factor. Say for example we have two numbers 6 and 12. Okay, and we have to find the HCF. Find HCF, that is highest common factor. So how to find? First we will find the factors of 6. Okay, we will go reverse. First we will find the factors, then we will find the common factors, then we will find the highest common factors. Okay, so here factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? We know that factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. And how to find the factors of 6 we have already discussed. You can, if you forgot, you can go and watch the earlier videos. Okay. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. And factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. That means 12 is divisible by these numbers and 6 is divisible by these numbers. So out of these, what are the common factors? Let us see. The common factors are, we can see 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor and 6 is a common factor. So common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So out of all these common factors, which is the highest? Because we need the highest common factor. No? So for 6 and 12, which is the highest common factor? 6. So therefore HCF, that is highest common factor, is 6. Okay. That means how to find what is HCF actually is? HCF is of all the factors. If we find the common factors, then out of those common factors, the highest value is the HCF. Okay. So basically there are two methods to find HCF. Okay. Two methods to find HCF. And these two methods are, number one is by finding all the factors. By finding all the factors, we can find out the HCF. And number two is by prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization we have done in our last class, how to do prime factorization of a number. By that method also we can find the HCF, and by finding all the factors and comparing those factors we can also find HCF. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. So method number one, by finding all factors. How to find out LCM of HCF of 24 and 36. Okay, so since the name of the method suggests by finding all the factors, so first we will find the factors of 24. Like in our earlier classes, we will find the factors of 24, and 24 can be written as 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8 4 into 6. Okay, 24 is not divisible by 5, so we will not be able to make it by 5. And 6 we have already got, so we stop here. Okay, so factors of 24 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So we'll write them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So these are the factors of 24. And let's come to the factors of 36. 36 can be written as 1 into 36. Okay, 2 into 18. Okay, then 3 into 12. Okay, you just see whether 36 is divisible by 2 and 3 or not. If they are divisible by 2, then you proceed. Okay, so in some cases the numbers may not be divisible by 2 or 3. Okay, in that case you go for 5. Okay, then 4 times what? 4 times 9. Then 36 is not divisible by 5, so we cannot do it with 5. Then 36 is divisible by 6. 6 into 6. Okay, then it is not divisible by 7. 8, no, 9 we have already got here, so we stop. Okay, so this method we have actually done in our last class. So if you have any confusion, you can go and watch that video again. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What the numbers here we're writing? Okay, whatever the numbers are here, we're writing that only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. After 6, 9, then 12, then 18, then 36. Now see, from the factors of 24 and factors of 36, which factors are common? So we'll add the, therefore, common factors. First we'll add the common factors. You see that 1 is common, so 1. Then 2 is common, we'll circle and write. And 3 is common. Okay, then 4 it is common. Then 6 is common. Then 8 is not common, we'll not write 8. And 12 it is here, so 12 is common. Okay, common means which is present in both. 12, then 24 which is not here. So we have seen that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the common factors. But what we need the highest common factor. So out among these numbers, which is the highest? Highest is 12. So 12 is our HCF. HCF is equal to 12. 12 is the highest value of all these. Okay, in this way, by finding the factors, finding all the factors, finding all the factors of 24 and all the factors of 36, we got our common factors, and from the common factors the highest one is the highest common factor. Okay, in this way we find HCF. Our next method is by prime factorization method. Prime factorization we have already studied or discussed. Okay, so let's take a question. Question number 4 from exercise 4 C. Okay, 16 and 24. So if we take prime factors of 16 and 24, let us find out. Prime factors of 16 can be found in this way: 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. Okay, and 24, 2 12 is 24, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6. So prime factorization of 16 Write the prime factorization of 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We'll just give it a line here to make it separate. Okay. And prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now from these prime factors we will see which numbers are common in both, that means present in both. Okay, we can see that this first pair of 2 is common, then this second pair of 2 is also common, then third pair is common, then these 2 and 3 they are not common. Okay, so we can write that therefore HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. For this pair we will write only 1 2 multiplied with, for this pair we will write 1 2, and for this pair we will write another 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 is our HCF. Okay, to understand in a better way, let us take another example. Okay, number say G. Number G is 72 and 90. For 72 and 90 we have to find the HCF by prime factorization. Okay, so let's find out the prime factors of 72. 2, 36, 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 6 are 12. It's kind of division only for our short division. Then 2 times 18 is 36, then 2 times 9, then 3 times 3. This is our prime factorization of 72, and we need 90 also. Then take 90, 2 times 45, then 45 is not divisible by 2, so we'll take 3. 3 times 15 is 45, then again 15 is divisible 2, so we'll take 3. 3 times 5. Okay, so let's write prime factorization of 72 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Let's just draw a line to make it separate so that these numbers don't get mixed up with these numbers. Okay, so 3 2s are there and 2 3s are there. Okay, then prime factorization of 90 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now see which numbers are common. See, these two and these two are common. We get one pair of common 2. Then none of the other 2s are present here. Okay, so we cannot take those 2s. Okay, they are not common. For these 2 we do not have another pair here. Understood? So we will not be able to take these 2s. Then comes 3. We will make pairs of 3. These 3 and these 3 will get paired. Okay, we will take only those numbers which we can take together, and we can see this 3 over here and these 3, they can be paired up or not. So we can take this, and this 5, this poor guy, he is alone here. Okay, we do not have any 5 here, so we will not be able to take this 5. Sorry 5, we cannot take you, don't mind. Okay, so what is our HCF? Therefore HCF is, for this pair we will write 1 2 into, so this pair of 3 we will write 1 3 multiplied with this pair of 3 will get 1 3. This is our HCF. Okay, so 2 times 3 is how much? 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 is our HCF. Understood? I think yes. And still, if you have doubt, you can watch this video over again. Okay. So I hope you have understood the concept of HCF, that is highest common factor. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding HCF, you can ask me anytime. Okay.